Okay, I am using leftover watercolor pad covers for the cover of my accordion sketchbook, or they are also called Concertina sketchbooks. And it goes, there's a cover for them, front and back, and then you use this accordion effect to sketch either the full thing or each individual one. And so we're going to cut out and repurpose this board. And so you will need, for mine, I've decided to use the size of 6 inches by 6 inches. So I need 2 of those, plus then what you're going to need is a little 6-inch by 1-inch tab in the middle here. So let's measure that off and get that going. So this is 6 there, and I'm going to go 12 because I need 2 of them. Okay, and 6 and 6. Okay, and then I'm going to take this and go across here and go across here. And so I have the cutting board underneath there so that I have a nice cutting surface. And then I am just eyeballing this up here. I just kind of cut all the way through. And actually the way this left over, I have enough left over to even go and do that 1 inch here, which I have a piece there, but I just want to show you. So you can use different materials for your covers of these accordion sketchbooks. So now I'm going to take my mat cutter, and not my mat cutter, my utility knife, sorry, and I am going to cut along the lines here. And it usually takes maybe 2 times to cut through. We'll see. Might need to keep the blade sharp. There we are. Okay, and this, alrighty, and then I will cut this here. Okay, I like to work with squares, so that's why I decided to just do a 6 by 6. I'm going to go here, and one more cut, this right here. This will be the center spine of the cover, front and back. So now the next step, after you've cut these out, to prepare them for using the tack iron method of applying the collage papers, you'll need to coat these with a gloss medium. And I like to use golden. I'm just grabbing that right now. I like to use golden. It works really good. And I put mine in a container like this. And what you need to do is take this, and you need to give both sides a coat of the gloss for any of the collage papers that you would like to use. And all those collage papers will also need a coat of gloss on the front and the back. So right now I've got one done, and I won't leave it sit on the paper here. I'll let this sit off on the side, and I'll come back and I will do the other side as soon as it's dry. Sometimes I like to have my hairdryer set up in a position where I can just kind of let this sit underneath there and keep on working on other things. And your little centerpiece here. And you're probably wondering, what and how is that? That's going to go right in the middle here. And then it's going to go here. And then when you close the book, you'll have this nice spine area right here. And it'll give you some width in the book so that you have that for all your accordion papers and the different things that you do to that. So right now I'm going to let this sit and dry, come back and coat the other side, and then we'll move into using your collage papers and collaging with the tack iron.